I need water. My phone was not fall down here. Guy, my phone fall down is gone. Gone. Oh my god.
Yeah, let's go down.
So, where's the road?
Down.
How?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to have you guys here. So today you guys are going to be going on a tour with me to OLUMIRIN waterfalls. Actually we call it Erin Ijesha waterfall, but I realized it's actually OLUMIRIN waterfall located in Erin Ijesha. So it's my friend's birthday and we decided to celebrate it here today. So let's not forget, Erin Ijesha is located in Osun State. So we are at the entrance of the waterfall and we're trying to sort the entry fee. And these are my friends that we came together. And this is the birthday boy. So let me share some very interesting facts about this waterfall with you guys. The waterfall was discovered in 1140 AD by one of the daughters of Oduduwa. If you are a Yoruba person, I know you know who Oduduwa is. But if you are not Yoruba, Oduduwa is like a very strong god in the Yoruba kingdom. There's this argument according to the nation that OLUMIRIN waterfall was discovered by a hunter named Akponjo Abela. Wait. Did I just murder that name? This is a statue that symbolizes the 7th floor of the waterfall. OLUMIRIN, meaning another deity, like another god, like the god with the small letter G. You get me? Seriously, when we started the journey, I was very scared because it was looking like a forest, like a thick forest, and I was telling my friends, if anything happened to us here, nobody's gonna know. Anyways, so at some point I began to wonder, is this really worth it? Like, did I come from Ibadan to Osun State to Erin Ijesha for this? But guess what guys, the more I went deep into the thick forest, let me put it like that, I began to love the place so much. Like, the surroundings is so beautiful. Like, it's actually known to be a sanctuary of purity and beauty, and as you can see guys, it's beautiful. You might not see beauty yet, but you're going to see beauty in the rest of the videos. So really, the atmosphere is so cool and refreshing. Like, you have time to think and just have fun with your friends. You can do a lot of things there. But guys, don't let me deceive you, it's not as easy as it looks. Hey, before you go to this place, make sure you are fit guys, because if you are not fit, you no go past level 1. Because guys, I was breathing like a goat.
You are here breathing heavy like a dog. Think about your life.
Wow, some of my friends were rejoicing like they've made it in life because these girls were not tired. Especially this one. She was just going up.
No, I don't feel it on my leg.
Your leg is carrying weight?
I said I'm not feeling it on my legs.
Your leg is very strong.
She's a tracker. She's a track star. I swear. I don't even like the fact that they don't have. Well, you guys are here already.
Yeah, this is the first point.
This waterfall is a collection of 7 unique levels. Although we didn't get to the 7th level, we only got to the 4th level because we didn't have a tall guard to put us through or show us the way to the rest of the levels. So at some point in time we were really confused. So I will advise you, if you're going there, when you get to the entry, make sure you get a tall guard to lead you guys to wherever you want to go, so because you might actually get confused at some point. So Erin Ijesha waterfall, very creepy. This is very creepy. Okay, but So let me give you guys tips of what to do when you're visiting the waterfall. 1, beware of rocks. I beg, if not you will injure yourself. 2, wear something very comfortable. Don't wear long skirts, preferably wear trousers. Wear a grasping shoe. Don't wear slides or slippers, I beg. If you have height for phobia, if you have phobia for height, don't go beyond the second level. I'm warning you now. Another thing is, have enough cash and take food. As you can see, my guys are eating. Food is very important. You need strength for that place. I beg, no fast to go that place. No be real kill.
Which one? Bag.
Hey, what's wrong with your camera? What's going on? You can't leave me.
So guys, at this point we're done with the first floor and we were on our way to the second floor. Guys, I remember I told you I was breathing like a goat, a big dog. Exactly. You are gonna see me now. Make sure you don't laugh. Don't laugh.
This man did not even pass through this place. See where he's passing through.
I'm always to this place.
See him now.
Can't pass through this place. It's never possible.
He's using this place like a shortcut like that. No.
I need water. My phone was not fall down here. Guy, my phone fall down is gone. Gone. Oh my god.
Yeah, let's go down.
So, where is the road? How?
From this
The
place.
stairs is not there now.
Hello, listen. From this place there is another floor. If you want to go to that floor, you come up again, then you go to this
Come
place.
here. Where are we going to?
And then,
Eh?
this is the second floor.
Where is the stairs? This place that I'm talking from.
Huh? You mean?
Eh? Where is this where we were coming from?
No, that's
Sorry, I need to sit down.
this water.
Where is the stairs? Well, we have to off this farm or this slides.
Baby,
We have to go barefooted though because it's coming.
I'm a badass.
Badass to the guy until you roll over.
Hey,
Very soon.
let's go. The thing is, when you order water, the energy will come back. I will repair energy to the car. Carry your body. Carry your ide shake. Carry your ide shake. 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 Ide shake.
Jesus Christ!
Are you sweating? No problem.
So guys, we finally arrived at the third floor, third or fourth or something. There's no stairs to this place. It's all rock and rough road, so you just have to wear something really comfortable if you know you're going to come all the way here. So I think this was the fun part for me. I really loved this stop, and I would have loved to really see the 7th floor because they say that's the source of the water. From videos I've seen, it doesn't even look like the source of the water because it's just like a little water. So I wonder how that would be the source of this amount of water here, guys. You can't still see. Can you see that back of the video? Like I'm still going to show a full view of the water, the way it falls. So I wonder where the amount of water is coming from on this earth.
Boomerang. No, that one. Give me a hand. I have the filter. That the thing will be floating. You have to give me shots. So I'm sorry I could not video my journey down here, guys. It was really stressful. Nobody could video at that point in time, but then when I'm going back, I'll make the video. Now we are, I think they call this the second floor, second waterfall. Yep. So yeah, see the view. Don't worry, I'll go very near soon. Let me change my clothes first and look like I can't enter water like this.
This was me going into the water like I knew what I was doing. You guys don't want to see the drama I performed when I got into that water. Hey, come and see wonders. Just calm down for me. See, I'm still opening teeth or shining teeth. See, feeling fly. I want to jump. Just take a look at me. You will see. Now, so shout. Oh, I'm sure my ancestors won't be proud of me at all. Just be looking at this girl. Now I'm out of the water. I'm happy. I'm feeling. I decided to stay beside the water. At least if I cannot enter like others, let me just stay beside and be looking at them. It's so funny the way I was screaming because I don't get why I was screaming that much. I thought I loved water, but when I got here, I could not control. I could not like resist the pressure. The way it was falling on me, it was so hard on me. So I wonder how these guys are staying up there for real. Like if you have ever gone there and you stayed at that point, then I'm proud of you guys. So the 7th floor of this waterfall is another state entirely. Like this waterfall includes of 2 states, that is Osun and Ekiti states. So if you are able to get to the 7th floor, that means you are already at Obake, Ekiti state. That's the name of the town in Ekiti. So altogether, the journey on this waterfall, it's like 4 hours. Yes, you will trek for 4 hours. Money fuck. What is the 4 hours? So after we tried our best to reach the 7th floor, but we couldn't, we decided to say goodbye to OLUMIRIN waterfall. We decided to go home. So on our way out, we met some old men who played gong and sang for us, and we were just dancing, and it was really nice. Wait till I show you the video.
I know you want to do. Give Baba something now. Give Baba something. Give Baba something. Give Baba something.